We are at IFA 2013, my name is Balazs Gal and we are at Rapoo, where we have all kinds of devices here, but this is the fall lineup of Rapoo with some cheap speakers, but they have quite good sound. We have seen in the summer here the E3060 Bluetooth speaker, which has basically just play pause button, a microphone built in and volume control. It's quite nice weight to it, but the aux in is missing. A lot of people were missing that, so we are getting now for 50 bucks here the A300 series, but you can see here on the back on the gray version, and actually on all of them of course we have aux in, micro USB, and on an off switch. Actually all of these have this the same back, but I flipped them all around for you guys so you guys can also see. And on the top we have here again the play pause, louder, less loud, and Bluetooth and headphone button here, which are all touch. They are not hardware pressable, but otherwise we have here the A500 series, which actually these sound quite amazing too, a lot better than I would say the summer ones. And now we have here a little bit bigger, if you want it to have a little bit bigger, a little bit different of a size, the A500, which has again here the same things on the back, but we have a micro USB, and these are actually all also NFC connectable. Some buttons here for volume and also the Bluetooth button for connecting, and the A600 will be a little bit more expensive for 100 bucks, also with plus, minus and Bluetooth button on top, the same connectivity, NFC, and also all kinds of awesome colors here available for 100 and less bucks probably soon. So we have then the last version is the A800, which is a little bit of a Bose competitor, you could say, almost, since we have a beautiful device, a sensor which sees that if you are not that close, that the lights go off. It saves power then over Bluetooth. That's of course nice if you are listening to music. And we have of course some hardware buttons here on top, so you can hit right away plus, minus, Bluetooth, mute also, and on and off switch. And on the back you can see here there's a little hole for the bass, but also the sound will go here through some channels, so it has this really awesome sound like you are probably used to from Bose. Of course this 450 bucks could be not the same quality, but I actually can't hear much of a difference. It's really quite a nice device for me for 150 bucks. Especially we have here an aux in and not micro USB but DC, and since it needs a little bit more power of course to charge, and so this was it from the first hands-on here with this nice little Rapoo 800, A800, A600, A500 and A300, and of course the older summer ones here, the E3060 that just came out of course in the beginning of the summer. Till next time, please tune in again from the IFA 2013. I hope you liked our little the lineup checkout, and sound test will be available of course soon when we are going into comparison testing also with other companies. So till next time, please tune in again. My name is Balazs Gal, and don't forget to subscribe.